Fans, see Agnes here? She's leaking gas, needs a new flex pipe, motor mounts, and injectors. And so, knowing this, I'm now going to introduce part 2 of the Tibby mod videos. So, you guys saw the oil pickup tube and oil pan and all that nonsense. Well, that was so long, we just put that in one video. So now, let's do the rest of Tibby's mods. And since I forgot to film an intro, that's why you're looking at Agnes and not Tibbs, because Tibbs is done right behind you. Get back here.
I have no.
Where'd it go?
What?
Where is it? Where's fish?
Nowhere.
Where are you going?
Hello, fans. Welcome to episode 2 of Tibby Time. Today, come with me on an adventure over here. We have a header on. We only got one on. Because to get this one on, we gotta lift the engine off its mounts.
Hold on, let me get around here.
To get this one on, we can't reach from underneath because of the bell housing in the frame and the body. So what we gotta do is take this engine, twist it that way with the trans, and then slip it in. But we gotta take my whole entire AC system off. And then gotta give that a go recharge, so it'll be mint. This car is the easiest car to mod ever. Please buy one. And so we're doing some sketchy stuff. We're lifting the engine from the oil pan, pushing it up, trying to get the header in while it's squeezing the AC lines out of the way. It's going?
I don't like it.
I don't like it either. Shall we continue?
Mm-hmm.
Is this sketchy?
Just shouldn't be done by the oil pan.
All right, fans. Got one side in. Got the other side in. Now we're just gonna mock it up. They're mocked up right now, so we can get the exhaust done, and then eventually down the road get muffins, because this thing's gonna be straight piped, bro. Great, how loud's it gonna be with just a straight pipe?
Unknowingly.
Okay, fam, so what we gotta do next is we gotta, since the engine's not properly sitting on the mount, we gotta undo the mount, which is behind the strut, which we're gonna replace these struts, or take these struts out, take the spring out to replace the strut. So we got the scary clamp.
So we did not crush my fingers.
Congrats.
Yes.
High five with full fingers.
Yes, full all 10. Or are you gonna?
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, we can high five 10.
Don't leave me hanging. Anyway, got the holes in there because on these, the brackets on them actually take 3 pieces. One piece is to put the mount at an angle like this, then there's a carrier on the frame. And so 1, 2, 3. And 3, we're trying to get the holes to line up, but because of its design, it was made to go, if it's free flowing, it's made to go out this way. So we had to fight it to get it back into its holes to go down. And we needed to pry in the engine to move it forward and at an angle like this. So then when I push it in slightly, it went into the holes.
It was pain.
It was pain, John. I literally thought some little veins were going to pop, but we're fine. We got it.
They look freaking minty, though.
Yeah, now we can actually bolt them.
They look minty, but they're not going to look minty very long.
God, no.
All right, fans, we're not doing it here, but we're setting up some scariness. The scary squishies. Right, Grant?
Yep.
What's your opinion of the scary squishies?
So far, I've never used them. I've heard the stories.
Oh, they're scary. All right, fans, going on a field trip. Say hi to Trixie. Say hi to the S10. Say hi to Aiden's car. We're going in this area. Make sure to wear your safety Crocs. Let's get some sussy suspension, my guy. Brother. Are you not putting a little blue thing on it?
Alright, that's all she wrote. Alright, now we're gonna slowly put it back.
Good.
That's fun. That's fun. All right, back to the wrench on that one. Tasvix.
It's mint. It's a little loose.
Yeah, it's a little loose. I don't know how I feel about that. But
I mean, mint.
the only way to do more is to put a bigger spacer on there to raise the height of the truck. But I mean, the truck will push it down. It's literally bombed out on the nut up here. So
Mint.
yeah.
I mean, if we had the whole 2-inch drop, it'd be even looser. That's a strut.
It's a strut, and the cover is irrelevant, so we decided to keep it off, and we're gonna cut that one off.
Yep.
So here you go, lowered, still a little shifty, but we'll have the weight of this gigantic beast.
She's not big. She's little.
I'm sorry, humongous.
Which side goes where?
That one goes there.
All right, fans. Day I don't know, 100 of doing the tibs build, or well, mods. Today, as a continuation of last video, we got the lowering springs and control arms in. Grant is doing this side here. Grant, would you like to give us an update in your little chair?
I got a little chair because I kept hurting my knees. I'm an old
How's it going over here?
I'm ready to plop this sucker on the hub.
What about the axles?
I was about to get to that. You have to clean them off because this one was extremely rusty and horrible.
All right, let's clean them. Let's clean them. Alrighty, fans, we got Grant here greasing up a Jones. Looks good, Grant.
Yeah.
Got the Jones and axle in there.
Yep. We gotta bend it.
All right, fans, so almost done putting the new plug wires on. That one right there is such a bitch to get to. It just isn't clicking and I'm sketched. Got the wheel off to get them in. Kind of makes it a little easier, but you know. This side's all done now. So that's kind of sick. Got our little socks on there so they don't burn. And then now it's time to get the E-fans in and hopefully get this thing driving for the first time in a month. And then Corolla time. So Grant, what you doing now?
We're gonna
Weld?
plastic.
Do you like welding plastic?
It's okay.
Do you prefer welding plastic or metal?
I don't like doing either.
Grant, look, it's Trixie.
Yes.
It's another one of those times where she hasn't driven in like a month.
Yeah.
But look, she's got a little cup on her.
It's been raining.
Why is Taz hanging up there?
He always hangs up there. It was a gift from Monte Carlo.
Oh, well, that's nice of it. Fan, so it just fits too nice in there. How could you not plastic weld it?
Yeah, and it's not, and it's gonna be riveted and plastic welded. It's gonna be better than what other people.
It's gonna be superior.
Superior is the word, yes.
Yes. And then we can finally wrap up this 20-minute long Trailblazer video.
Yes.
And then we can do its first drive. Getting close to finishing the first cut.
Yep.
Drummeling to match this side here. Just trying to match that. There. Easy money.
The plug-in Dremel.
Yep, so here we are. We got our Dremel dyed. And it's coming along. We're getting really, really close. Just got to nip these little edges off on this thing. They're there. Weld it in. Plop it in there. And then to get it to drive, torque everything down, bleed the brakes, install the washy stuff in the intake, and then that's it. All right, fans, as you can see, we're done. What we did was we plastic welded all the LS1 fans into the bezel. Don't mind the switches. I'll talk about this more in the outro video. But just know that essentially a relay didn't work. But as you can see, the fans are in, and there's actually a lot more space for activities. This pipe is this ugly flat because there used to be that clutch fan here. So now, with this intake, since it's got that aggressive 90 and this awkward little bend, I'm probably going to just get a nice smooth pipe over, but you know, it's down the road. My bank account is only 3 digits now, so we'll have to wait for a little more money before I do something that's not as important like that. But it looks complete, so time for an outro. All right, fans, sorry, there's a giant storm coming right now, and I forgot to film an outro for this also, which is why in the beginning of this video you saw me by Agnes right there. So let's go over all the things I really did quick on tibs. So first, as we went over, in here we got, I can't even see him here. So lowered it, obviously. Front, rear. We have a rear band conversion. But the problem is the StabiliTrak is coming on, so things just slamming on all the brakes. So we had to pull the ABS and the wheel speed sensor fuses. We're still trying to fix that. It's not completely done, but it's done enough to where it works. Let me explain. So you can see intake, we got the headers on, new plug wires, stocks on the plug wires, both sides. As you can see, these switches here, we have the electric fans in.
John,
I don't have.
Why do we have switches?
Well, Grant said we could wire a harness. The relay worked, but it didn't work, so we had to buy the kit. The kit's a 2-week wait, so now since Agnes is like dead. Well, that's how I stopped my car from overheating.
That's high performance
And you
right
can
there.
see the headers in there. I think there's a cool view. Oh god, the rain's starting. Come over here. Under there, you can kind of see them. Looks freaking sick. Other than that, that's it for tibs. Now, please like and subscribe. Keep following me. I'm gonna start Agnes. Wait, I guess I should start this one first. Hold on, fans. Just so you guys can hear it. Ready, JP?
Ready, sir. Where do they go to get a kiss?
No.
Oh,
We're not
wait.
done yet. We're gonna
Oh,
start
okay.
Agnes and move Agnes.
Oh no.
Alright, fans, go. Storm coming. Agnes is like dead, but listen to this piece. I guess come on this side.
Oh.
Oh yeah, start right over the phone. Oh, it smells terrible. It smells like unburnt fuel. So please like and subscribe. We'll have a new video for you next week. If you like this video, you will get a kiss from the S10. Boop.